Thank you, Madam Chairman. I'm going to echo what Leader Butler just said, is the fact that Ms. Reick, if you don't understand what the ACS is, you shouldn't have advocated for it as a means by which we do redistricting in Illinois. You have an obligation to understand what it is you're talking about before you get on board and tell us how to do this. I think it's also important to understand the fact that the state constitution provides for a means by which there shall be districts drawn. It provides for, in fact, a commission if by June 30th we're not able to come to a legislative understanding of what the map is going to be. We are in a position to have a commission that's appointed by with 4 members from the legislature, 4 non-legislative members, and a 9th member can be chosen by a draw in order to break a tie in that thing. It also provides that there are going to be the ability to do court challenges, but the Supreme Court is not in a position. The Supreme Court is not in a position to overturn what the Constitution tells us is the process by which we determine these maps. So to say that we should be going to the ACS or some other form of data to indicate what our maps should look like is nothing more than an attempt, I believe, on behalf of the majority that's running this show, to avoid the possibility of getting a 50-50 draw and losing it at the very end of the process. The process is plain, and how many times when the Constitution was passed in 1969, I believe, I think we've been in court 3 or 4 times already on the fact that we haven't been able to draw the maps by June 30th. There's a process in place. We should abide by that process and not try to change the means by which we count people in this country or in these districts simply because it's inconvenient to not have the census data available at the time. And, you know, ascribing fault based upon the previous administration doesn't add anything to this entire conversation as to how we're going to move forward here. It's partisan, it's rank, and it has no place in this conversation. That's really all I have to say. Thank you very much.